Okay everyone, welcome back to CBD Yoga and Fitness. My name is Mike and thank you all so much for joining me today for this office yoga, quick yoga for desk workers. So this is going to be a great sequence you can do right at your desk or in the office, in the boardroom, or at home if you are working from home. And this is going to be a really nice sequence to do just to kind of get away from everything for albeit like 10 minutes. And just to help you ground down and refocus. So when you're ready, roll out your mat, grab some water, and let's get started. Okay everyone, so we're going to begin standing today. So just find a nice position wherever you are, in your office or at home. And we'll just come into a nice mountain pose, standing up as tall as you can. Hands and arms can rest down by your sides. You're welcome to do a couple shoulder rolls here if you like. And we're just going to take a couple of deep breaths here. Feel free to close your eyes here as well. So let's all take a deep inhale through our nose. And exhale, side out through your mouth. Letting everything go that has happened so far today. We'll do a couple more of those. So let's inhale. Exhale, side out. Let's do that one more time. Inhale. Exhale, sigh everything out. Really grounding in this moment, coming back to your breath. So from here we're going to start just by swaying side to side. So let your arms hang heavy here, just let it all hang loose. And we'll just simply sway side to side. Again, make sure to breathe. Be mindful of your neighbor if you're practicing with somebody else. We'll start off by moving slowly, gaining speed as we go along, moving a little bit faster. Moving a little bit faster. And starting to slow it down. Slow it down even more. Even more. And eventually we'll come back to mountain pose and just give your body a nice little shake. Shake out the legs, shake out the arms. Again, letting go of any stress, any anxiety, any to-do lists. Just taking this time for yourself. So from here, we'll come to the top of your mat. Feet can be together or hip-width distance apart. And we'll inhale, bring the arms up towards the sky. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back to plank. Lower knees, chest, chin to the mat. Elbows hug into the body. Hips are elevated. Inhale, baby cobra. Keeping the gaze down, no wrinkles in the neck. Exhale, step it back to downward facing dog. Breathing into the backs of the legs, really stretching out the hamstrings and the calves. Keep your fingers spread wide here, hands pushing into the mat. And let's pedal our legs out, pedal our feet. Again, coming back to your breath. And on your next inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, a forward step, hop or float to the top. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, hands through heart and by your sides. We'll do that one more time. So inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back to plank. Lower knees, chest, chin to the mat. Elbows hug in, hips are elevated. Inhale, Baby cobra, gaze down, exhale, downward facing dog, fingers are spread wide. Again, pedaling the feet out. And on your next inhale, let's lift our right leg up towards the sky. Exhale, step the right foot up between your hands, lower the left knee down, left shoelaces down. And from here, let's inhale, come up into a nice low lunge, making sure to stack that right knee over the right ankle, and trying to keep your hips in one line here. So for a lot of us, our right hip will be coming forward. So see if you can actively draw that right hip back and that left hip forward. Arms can come up overhead. Keep that core slightly engaged and just breathe. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back to downward facing dog. And let's take it over to the other side. Inhale, lift the left leg up towards the sky. Exhale, bend the left knee, step the left foot up between the hands, lower the right knee down, right shoelaces down. Inhale, come up into a nice low lunge, stacking that left knee over left ankle, and again, trying to keep the hips in one line. So drawing that left hip back, that right hip forward, core is engaged, breathe. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back to downward facing dog. Let's pedal it out one more time here. From here, we'll inhale, pick the right leg up again. Exhale, step the right foot up between the hands. This time, pivot the left foot to 90 degrees and air guitar the left arm up, coming up into warrior two. Again, keeping that right knee over right ankle and having that right heel in line with the left arch. Arms can come to a T. Smile, breathe. Building strength. And on your next inhale, come into a peaceful warrior, reaching that right arm back. Exhale, cartwheel the hands down. Step it back to downward facing dog. And we'll take it over to the other side. So inhale, pick that left leg up towards the sky. Exhale, bend the left knee, step the left foot up between the hands. Pivot the right foot 90 degrees. Air guitar the right arm up, coming into warrior two. Again, left knee over left ankle, left heel in line with the right arch. Arms to a T. Breathe. Inhale, peaceful warrior. Reach that left arm back. Exhale, cartwheel the hands. Step it back to downward facing dog. Great job, everyone. On your next inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, hands to heart and by your sides. So from here, we'll stay here in this mountain pose with our hands by our sides. We'll end this quick practice just like we started. Feel free to close your eyes again. And we'll just take 3 deep breaths, sighing out the exhale. Coming back to your truest self, reconnecting with that inner child within all of us. Awesome job, everyone. So from here, let's bring our hands together at our heart Thank you all so much for joining me today for this office yoga, quick yoga for desk workers. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe below, as well as feel free to share it with a fellow friend or coworker. And if you would like to see more of these office yoga videos, be sure to let me know in the comments below, and I'll be sure to make more videos like this one. And now let's bring our hands together at our third eye. The light in me honors the light in all of you. Thank you so much. Namaste.